So today I made a girl drawing. But how will it be made? So let's start the video to see how this drawing was made. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like the video. It helps more artists like you find this content. And can you tell me what should I draw next? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to make something you want to see.